Hey, what's up guys? Deek, RelaxShacks.com. Oh yeah, I buzzed all my hair off. Today we are making garden bins, and by that I mean super easy, pretty affordable ones where I'm giving you the actual dimensions and know how to do so. All right, let's give you more of an in-depth look at things, starting with a couple 2x12s. Try to draw this kind of in perspective. These are going to be 72 inches long. 2x12, by the way, is really only 11¼ inches wide. These boards, you can do this either way. Here's them in parallel. You can take another 72-inch board and sandwich it in between. You could do it the other way, and I'll draw a side view here, which would be like this, and have them sit atop the last board. We have to screw upwards into them. You could do it like this, which would give you more depth for the planter but less width side to side. As you construct these, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. That's kind of cloudy right now to you, but the ones I did are screwed through the sides. I use 3.5-inch star head screws, exterior graded deck screws that are coated. The reason I use those, if you use regular untreated, uncoated screws, the chemicals in the pressure treated wood, at least traditionally, reacts with the metal and prematurely corrodes it, so they won't last as long. So I think I used 5, 6, or 7 screws to the side here. And all you have to do with your scraps you have is simply measure what the width is here for the cap pieces that you're screwing in here to fill in the ends. I'm going to screw into these ends right here. So if this is 11¼ inches wide, the board you need is going to be 11¼ plus this width here and this width here, another 3 inches. That's what, 14¼ so 14¼ inches are going to be those 2 cap pieces. With the leftover pieces, like I said, you could cut all sorts of, you can just use simple 2x4 pieces as I did. You can bevel them. You can get fancy with a jigsaw and put some kind of, scrolled half circle piece there. You're not really going to see them. Let me flip this sheet here. You're not really going to see them under the planter, but the end effect, here's the end of the planter, the butt end of it. Again, a little bit of perspective here. Let me move this down. I took beveled pieces and cut them in this fashion, which makes for a slightly, it's not wobbly, but it'd be more wobbly than the legs oriented this way. But because I did that, when you see them from the side, the box appears more so to float because these edges are angled inward. I just thought it looked kind of nice. That's what the client was cool with. So here's your simple bins or boxes. For moving them, it takes 2 people to heavy. You could pilot 2 holes, connect the cuts, and make handles here. There's all sorts of things you could do to improve upon these. This is one of the simplest garden bin boxes you can make. They are darn heavy, kind of affordable, but they will last a long, 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 long time because I made a pressure treated wood, and thick wood at that.